When is Jagannath Rath Yatra 2025 in June? Check correct date and other details about this Grand Chariot Festival. The Grand Chariot Festival, Puri Rath Yatra or Jagannath Rath Yatra is celebrated annually in Puri, Orissa. This significant event is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, his brother Balbhadra and sister Subhadra. Check out all the important details about the date, significance and rituals of this festival below. The Puri Rath Yatra is a grand chariot festival celebrated each year in Puri, Orissa. This sacred festival is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a manifestation of Lord Krishna, with his brother Balabhadra and sister Subhadra. This sacred occasion serves as a display of faith, spiritual purification and happiness, attracting countless pilgrims and visitors. The Rath Yatra showcases magnificent processions of beautifully designed chariots, taking the gods through the avenues of Puri. Check out all the significant details about the correct date, significance and rituals associated with the Grand Rath Yatra processions. The RTH Yatra usually takes place on the Dvitiya Tithi of Ashada Shukla Paksha as per the Hindu Panchang. Therefore, this year, the Jagannath Rath Yatra falls on the 27th of June 2025, Friday. Dvitiya Tithi begins at 1:24 pm on the 26th of June 2025 and ends at 11:19 am on the 27th of June 2025. Significance of this chariot festival. The Rath Yatra is a most significant event in which Lord Jagannath, along with his brother Balabhadra and sister Subhadra travels from the Jagannath temple to the Gundicha temple, which is known as the home of their aunt. Numerous worshippers drag 3 big wooden carts carrying the idol of the revered deities to the Gundicha temple. As per the Skanda Purana, the Jagannath Puri pilgrimage ranks among the most important of Lord Jagannath's 12 yearly journeys. The Rath Yatra is believed to represent Lord Jagannath's visit to his birthplace, and the act of pulling the chariots of the 3 lords is believed to purify the soul and bestow liberation. The Rath Yatra represents the essence of unity, uniting individuals from diverse backgrounds. Key events of the Rath Yatra festival. Chhera Pahara. The king of Puri cleans the chariot route with a golden broom for the deities. This sacred ritual marks the onset of the Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra. This ritual represents that everyone is equal in the eyes of God. Drawing the chariots. Numerous worshippers drag the chariots, reciting prayers and hymns to express their faith towards Lord Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra Mai. Snana Purnima, Abhishekam of Lord Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra Mai is performed with sacred water to prepare them for the Rath Yatra pilgrimage. Chariot decoration. The chariots are decorated with bright colors, flowers and beautifully designed fabrics, showcasing the magnificence of the gods they transport. Rituals at Gundicha temple. When the deities arrive, prayers are offered to the deities alongside performing other significant rituals, signifying their visit to their aunt's home. Return trip, Bahuda Yatra. After several days, the deities make their way back to the Jagannath temple, marking the end of the Rath Yatra.